Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Standing here with my TYM T474 tractor, and I have TPMS sensors that I want to put in it because I guess we've all been spoiled by technology. We have them in our vehicles, why not have them in our tractors? Anyway, so this is the system. So it comes with an instruction manual. This is solar powered, so that's your monitoring system. And then you have each sensor is basically set up. So each sensor is set up. So this is FR, so front right. And it gives you an idea of how they are. So, and they do have a tool that comes with this, but you can open these up and replace the battery. So that makes these awesome to use. Okay, so this is going to be my front right. Basically just turn it down until the hissing stops. It's going to be the rear right. Front left. And then this is your rear left. Okay, let's get the system. Okay, so to power the unit on, you basically touch the right button, hold that in, and then it will turn it on, and then you want to hit your left button 8 times real quick. And that's got to put into parry mode, so it's going to be looking for the left front tire. So that is here. So we're going to basically, since I have it installed already, we're going to reinstall it. And then that's going to acknowledge that that is done. So next we are going to select, so you can see how that's registering. So then we are going to go to the right front tire, basically do the same thing. And I have this one installed again as well. So we're going to basically disconnect it real fast and then reconnect it. Okay, so now that's registered. So we'll go on to the next tire, which is going to be the rear one. Again, also installed, so I am going to just back it off and then put that back on. And then after a couple seconds, it's going to register. Okay, so that tire needs some air in it. And then we're going to hit the next. Last tire. So that's up here. So let's get. And then that tire's there. So those need, I like them to have a little bit more air in them, but there you go. So now that is all set. Okay, so after you are all done, you basically just hold this middle button in and that will set everything. And then you can go in, you can set your different alarms that you want or modes. So PSI, you can change that to your bar if you wanted to. Just by changing this, so you can see that value, it goes back and forth. You hit the menu button again, it'll go to Fahrenheit, or you can switch to Celsius. And then that is going to be your high pressure alarm. your low pressure alarm. I have it set to 20 because on tractor tires, they're usually a little bit lower in the back on the bigger tires than the front. And then that is basically like your temperature warning. And then, yeah, that's basically it. So when you're done, you basically just hold that, goes in the middle, then that is what your set pressures are. So I got 39 front left, 41 front right, 24 and 25 in the rears. And then again, this is solar, so I'm going to make sure that I put it here. I'm probably going to get some adhesive or something and put it here on the dash, so I have a real-time tire pressure, and that comes in handy, especially in winter. You definitely don't want to be on like cold rock or soil, and then all of a sudden so there's a pressure, or just being around and noticing that you have a tire pressure drop. So that is just another little feature that I wanted to add to the tractor that I got used to in like all the new modern vehicles and stuff. So, but yeah. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.